Good day, class. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe so whenever I drop a new video, you can get notified. Okay, today I've did a lot of videos on indices. The part one of my video under indices, I explained all the laws of indices. My part two, I did series of questions under indices. But today, I will be looking at exponential indices. So I will be solving questions under exponential what indices so that we can get a deep or depth of knowledge of indices. Look at this question on the board. They are pointing at what exponential what indices. Now, let's dive into the question. Now, before we even try solving this question, please, you have to know one thing. Part of the law of indices. If we have a raised to power m is equals to a raised to power m. Now, look at, since the base are the same, so it will cancel each other. It means that the power will be equal to each other. The power will be m raised to power m. Or let's say if we have a raised to power n, so it will be what? M raised to power what? M. Now, once the base are the same, we cancel out the base. Then the power will be equal to each other. So we need this knowledge for this exponential what indices. Now, I don't want to waste time because I don't want this video to be lengthy. Okay, let's dive into the question. Number one says that we have 8 raised to the power x is equals to 0.15. I told you guys that whenever you come across a decimal like this, please try to change it to a fraction. So in fraction, we have 1 over 2. 125. Then we have 3 places. 1, 2, 3. That will give us what? 30. That's 1000. Now we can divide. 125 here, 125 here will give us how many? I think is 8. So we're left with 8 to the power x is equals to 1 over 8. Now we need to apply the law of indices here. 8 raised to the power x is here. This one we can write it as 8 raised to the power minus 1. We have not changed anything because if this minus here will change to 1 over. So this one here will give us 1 over 8. So this one here minus here is this 1 what over. So we have not changed anything. So see now the base are the same. The base we cancel, then x will be equals to what? Minus 1. Very simple as that. Question 2. We have the cube root of y raised to the power 6 is equals to 64. Now, whenever you have maybe square roots, a cube root, fourth root, please try to change it back to power. So we can write, we can say y raised to the power 6 times 1 over 3. So this is the cube. This cube root here have changed to 1 over what? 3. 64. Now, law of indices. If we have a raised to the power m times a raised to the power what? N, we'll say a raised to the power what? M times n. So we multiply the power. Let's apply the law here. So we have y raised to the power 6 times 1. We have what? 6 over what? 3. Then how many 3 can we see in 6? So we have 2. So let's y raised to the power 2. We can change this one here. So okay, let's leave it 64. So look for the, now we want to cancel. We're looking for y, not y square. So we need to cancel this square here. Now if you want to cancel square, you use a square root. So we square both sides. Square here, we square both sides. So 2 cancel 2. We have y is equals to square root of 64. We have what? 8. Simple as that. Question 3. We have 16. 1 minus 2x is equals to 1 over 8x. Okay, here we can change this one like we did here. We can say 16, 1 over minus 2 give us what? Here we have 8 what? Minus x. So this one here also mean 1 over 8 what? X. We have not changed anything. So, and we can convert this base to be in the same base. So let's check. 2 raised to the power 4 will give us 16. So we input the power back is equals to 2 raised to the power 3 will give us what? 8. We input the power back. So we can come here. We can come here. So here we can just see now the base are the same thing. These two cancel these two. Then the power. Let's open the bracket. 4 times 1 will have 4 minus 4 times 2x we have 8x is equals to 3 times minus x will give us minus 3. So we correct like terms. 4 will be here. We have minus 3. Like this change was plus 8x. 4 is equals to minus 3 plus 8. We have plus 5. So we have what? 5x. Now we are looking for what? X. So divided by 5, divided by so 5 will cancel 5. X will give us what? 4 over 5. Simple as that. Number 4. Very simple. 3, we have 3 raised to the power 2x minus 10 in bracket 3x plus 9. Everything is equals to what? 0. Now, if you observe here, we have 3 raised to the power x here. We can also change this form so that we can have the same thing as this one here. So we can have 3 raised to the power x, everything raised to the power 2. We have not changed anything. 2 times x will give us what? 2x. X times 2 give us what? 2x. So we have not changed anything here. Minus 10 plus 9 is equals to 0. Now we have the same thing. So let's just say let 3 raised to the power x be any letter. We can use p. So anywhere we see 3 raised to the power x, we put p there. Here we put p.
y. So this one cancel this one. Now 5 in 3 places is what? 5 times 5, 25 times 5, we have what? 1, 2, 5. We are not mistaken. Minus, these are the same thing, pick only one, then you add the power, that's 2y. Is equals to, we have 30 times what? That is the power what? Y. Now, we have something here, you see, 5 is power y here. So, we need to make, we need to equate this one to be in this form. So, we can say that 125 minus, we can say 5 is the power y, 8 is the power 2. We are not changing anything. Is equals to what? 30 is the power 5y. So now, let's just say, let 5 is the power y be any letter. Okay, let's use q here. So here we see this one, here we'll put q here. So we have 125 minus q is the power what? 2 is equals to 30 times q. So we have 125 minus q raised to the power 2 is equals to what? 30q. Now, if you observe, it's leading to something. So let's call it like 10. So let's bring all these values to here. So we have, let's arrange it well. Q raised to the power 2. We have 30 minus 30. What is invisible plus 30 q here? So it's there already plus 125. Everything equals to 0. So let's solve. Very simple. Okay. The number here is 1. 1 times 1 2 equals to 125. So we look for two values. If we multiply, we have 125. If we minus or plus, we have minus 30. So we are looking for 125. If we multiply, then if we plus or minus, we have what? Minus 30. So let's see. If we say minus 25 minus 5 give us what? Minus 30. But does it work here? Yes. Minus 25 times minus 5 give us what? Plus 125. So let's input the figure. Open your two brackets. We're dealing with q. We're dealing with q. Just input minus 25 first. Minus 5 for everything equals to 0. So without wasting time, just say, we have minus here. Change to plus. Q is equal to 25. Or q is equals to minus 34 plus equals to 5. Are you with me now? So now we can now go back to where we substitute here. So anywhere we now q is what? 25. So anywhere we see q now, we put 25. So there's q here. So we have y is the power f is the power y is equals to 25. So we can break this one down to the same base. So we have 5 is the power y is equals to 5 is the power 2. 5 cancel 5. So here our y here is equals to 2. Or we come here that 5 is to the power y is equals to what? 5 is to the power 1 is equal to 5. So 5 cancel 5, our y is equals to what? 1. We have not changed anything. We did not change what? Anything. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. I hope you are learning something. I hope you are learning something. I hope you are learning something. So we are moving to number 6, I mean. So we have 10 is to the power 4 minus x is equals to what? 100. See now, we can equate this 100 to be of the same base as 10. So you come here, 4 minus x is equals to 10 raised to the power 2. So the base are the same thing, cancel the base. The power equals to that's 4 minus x is equals to 2. Correct items, that's 4 minus 2 is equals to x, and x is equals to what? 2. Very simple. Number 7, we have 10, 5 minus x is equals to what? Now, if you notice that since morning, we have been trying to equate the base to be of the same base. Sorry, equate the number to be of the same word base. Here we get the same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. So we are trying to make the base of the same word, the same number, of the same figure. So whenever you are solving what exponential indices, please try to make the base to be of the same number. It will be very, very easy for you to solve. Now, in a situation where you cannot make the base to be the same thing, like here now, I cannot convert 10 and 8 to be of the same base. Never, it cannot, as in no number. So I have to apply logarithm here. So I'll take the log of both sides to help me solve this question, because I cannot equate this 10 and 8 to be of the same words of the same base. Then I'll come here that I'll add log to both sides. Log 10 5 is per x is equals to log log what? Log 8. Now, one of the law of logarithm says that if you have log, so like now, once we add a log, this one will come down. So it will now be 5 minus x log 10 is equals to what? We have 4, 3, 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power a times 3 raised to the power b. Now, here now, what we are saying here that there is a number here, a number here. If we equate this equation here, it will be equal to what? 4, 3, or 2. Now, this is telling us that this 2 and 3 is a factor of this 4, 3, 2. So we need to see, let's break down this number. Let's see. 4, 3, 2. Let's use the lowest number first, prime number first to divide. So we can use 2. Now 2 in 4 we have 2. 2 in 36 we have 32 we have 16. 2. 2 in 2 and 6 we have 108. 2 in 108 we have 54. 2 in 54 we have 27. 3 here we have 9. 3 here we have 3. Then 3 in 3 we have what? 1. It means here we are having 2 is to the power what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is to the power 4 times 3 is to the power what? 3. So it means what we have here. Now we can now say 4, 3, 2 is equals to what? 2 is to the power 4 times 3 is to the power 3. So therefore, my A is 4 and B is equals to what? Is equals to 3. I hope you are learning. As simple as that. So let's move fast. Here now, the last, second to the last question, number 9. 2 raised to the power x, 3 raised to the power y, then 5 raised to the power what? Z is equals to what? 600. The same concept here. Once you see any mass like this, it means that if you multiply this number, it will give you 600. So these 2, 3, 4, they are factors of 600. So you break it down. So 600, use 2. So that's the lowest prime that I can divide 600. We have 300, 2. We have 152, 75. You can use 3, 25, 5, 5, 5. Here we have what? 1. So we are saying that we have 2 is power 1, 2, 3. 2 is power 3 times. Only 1, 3 we have here times 5 is power 2 here. So we can come here that 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 3 raised to power 1 by 5 raised to power 2 give us what? 600. So therefore, our s is 3, our y is 1, then our z is equals to what? 2. Simple as that. The last question here, the last question, we have e is to the power 2x is equals to 5 e is to the power x plus what? Plus 6. Now, we can see something. E raised to the power x is by, so let's try to equate it. If we do like this, e raised to the power x, we have not changed anything. 2 times x, 2 times x, we have not changed anything here. Then here too we have 5 e raised to the power s plus what? Plus 6. So let's say let e raised to the power x be equals to that any letter. Let's use b here now. So anyway, we see this one, you put b here. So let's put b here. So b raised to the power 2 is equals to 5 times b, that's 5b plus 6. Let's now bring all this number here to this side. So we have b raised to the power 2 minus, let's plus a minus 5b minus 6, everything equals to 0. Think of two numbers. Where we multiply, we have minus 6. When we add or minus, we have what? Minus 5. So I think the number should be minus 5 and minus 1. So give us, so sorry, let's say minus, okay, you have minus 3 and minus 2. You have minus what? 5. But can it give us minus 6? No. So let's say minus 1 plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6. Yes, you are always on 1 naira. You have 6 naira with you. Once you pay your, so okay, let's change the sign. I think it's plus 1 and minus 6. You are always on 6 naira. You have 1 naira with you. Once you pay your 1 naira, you still have extra 5 naira to give that person. So it's correct. We get minus 5 here. Now, minus times plus, we have minus, then minus 6. So this is correct. So here now we are using plus 1 and minus 6. So open your two brackets. We're using D again. We're using plus 1 and minus 6 x is equals to 0. Now just say B is equals to, we have a plus sign change to minus 1, or B is equals to, we have negative change to plus 6. So B is equals to minus 1. And we know that we can't use this negative. We can't use negative, so we strike it out. So now we should focus on this word, on this aspect here. So B is equals to 6. So let's go back to our where we substitute here. So let's go and input 6 for B. So E raised to the power x is equals to what? 6. Now, see now, we cannot equate E and 6 to be of the same base. So we introduce what? Log or log E. So we add log to both sides. So log ES is equals to what? Log 6. Now, if you cannot equate the thing to be of the same base, you add what? Log. Now, this x now will now be x log e from the law of logarithm is equals to what? Log 6. Now by looking for s, we divide through by what? Log e by log e. So log e cancel log e, so x is equals to what? Log 6 over log e. So this is our final word answer. I hope you learned something from this word exponential indices. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Now, I will be giving you some exercise, some classwork. So you drop your answer in the comment section. I will go through it and tell you guys if they are correct or not. So let me write out the class, the exercise here. So here I'm having, okay. So let's see. The number one I'm giving you guys is 32 is the power x is equals to 1 over 128. B 3 square root of 9 is y is equal to 9. 1 so 5. So 2 over 3. 27 1 over 9 is the power x. Then the last one. Please try the questions out and drop your answer in the comment section. So these are the questions. Please try and solve. Drop your answer in the comment word section. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.